In this next problem, we've got a number of minus signs. We need to be careful when we expand the bracket because the minus in front of the 5 belongs to it, and we've also got a minus in front of the e. So the first step would be to expand the bracket. And what we do there is multiply the minus 5 by the 2. Now that leaves us with a negative and a positive, so we get negative 10, or take away 10. And the minus in front of the 5 and the minus in front of the e mean that we'll get positive 5e. In this next line, we look to simplify like terms. Now we've got two numbers there. 4 minus 10 gives us negative 6. Also we have the plus 5e equals 34. Now the next step is to try and isolate the e by itself, so we need to get rid of the negative 6, and we do that by adding 6 to both sides of the equation. If we do that, the 6 is removed from the left hand side to give us 5e, and 34 plus 6 gives us 40. The next thing to do is to remove the 5. Now the opposite of multiply by 5 is to divide by 5, so we need to do that to the left and right hand side of the equation. And when we end up getting there with the 5's removed, that e is equal to 8, which is 40 divided by 5. And you can check that by substituting it into the first line to check that the equation still balances and equals 34 on the right.